Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Grammarly in Outlook. If you rely on Outlook for your professional emails, having Grammarly integrated can help you catch errors and polish your writing before hitting send. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. Start by opening a browser window and navigate to www.grammarly.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so first. After entering your credentials and signing in, you'll be directed to the Grammarly dashboard. This is where you can access all your documents and manage your Grammarly settings. Give it a moment to load completely before moving forward. Once you've successfully signed in and your documents have loaded up, you're ready to add Grammarly to Microsoft Outlook. The process is pretty straightforward. Look at the left navigation menu on your screen. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Apps. This section is where you can manage all the different platforms and applications where Grammarly can be installed. From here, look for Grammarly for Windows. You'll see it listed among other options. Click on the radio button to select it. Then click on Install. This will begin downloading and installing the Grammarly application on your Windows device. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while the installation completes. Once the Grammarly app installation has finished, it's time to open Microsoft Outlook and see Grammarly in action. Launch Outlook on your computer. Head to your Email Composition tab by clicking on the New Email option. This will open a fresh Email Composer window where you can draft your message. Once the Email Composer window has opened, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice that the Grammarly icon appears there. Simply click on it to enable grammar assistance on your email composition. With Grammarly now active, it will automatically check your writing for spelling mistakes, grammar errors, and style suggestions as you type. And that's it. You've successfully installed and enabled Grammarly in Outlook, giving you real-time writing assistance for all your professional communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.